How to use UTS card at Walmart 2025. If you've received an UTS card through your health plan, you might be wondering how to actually use it at Walmart. Most people get confused, but the process is simpler than it looks in 2025. UTS cards are provided by Medicare, Advantage and some insurance plans to cover eligible health items. These include things like pain relievers, bandages, vitamins, and some personal care products. At Walmart, start by shopping in store or online. Look for items marked as eligible for UTS benefits. In store, this is usually labeled on the shelf or confirmed at checkout. When you're ready to pay in store, swipe your UTS card just like a debit card. The system automatically approves eligible items and declines non-eligible ones. You won't believe how seamless it feels once you try it. Most people get this wrong by mixing eligible and non-eligible items. If something isn't covered, you'll need to pay for it separately. For Walmart online purchases, sign into your Walmart account and add items to your cart. At checkout, choose your UTS card as the payment method if supported by your plan. The surprising truth is that coverage varies by insurance provider, not Walmart. Always check your plan's item list. In 2025, UTS cards are one of the most underused benefits simply because people don't understand them. Use your balance before it expires and make the most of what you're already entitled to. Subscribe for more simple guides that save you money.